Now we want to work on the leaf. To work on the leaf, you can select your tree. I want to remove this branch because I want to create the optimized tree. Select this one and create a leaf. As you can see, we need a proper material for URP pipeline. Drag the leaf here. You can use the cross or plan. For a start, you need to use the plan. The leaf needs a texture from tree creator box. Next tree creator from leaf. A scan. One can choose everything that you like. Use the Atlas tool. Okay. Now press the refresh key to update the materials. As you can see, we have a very good leaf texture. The first important thing for the leaf is its size. You need to increase its size. Then add more leaves. The size is too much high. I want to have the same size for okay. Now you can easily and quickly change the alignment. This is a good realistic alignment. You can switch to the cross mode. This is not good for a start plan. Here you can select the alignment. This is a very good alignment. Good. This is a very good for a start. Now you can easily duplicate and rotate. Also change its position. Also you can use cross mode. Okay. Just increase the number. And change its angle. The angle is very important. Nice. As you can see, you need to change the angle to find the proper alignment. Now change its position easily. Nice. Also you can change the alignment. Everything now looks good and beautiful for a simple tree. I can edit customization on the tree, radius, length, crank lines, as you can see, we have a very simple and easy to create 3D model. Can increase the branch, twirl around, first down. As you can see, our tree looks good. Now you just need to update the textures. To have a new tree. For example, from material, select the leaf and choose another leaf. Update the tree. As you can see, our tree now looks in another style. You can select the material of the bark. As you can see, our tree now looks new. You can control the quality of the leaves from here. You have a leaf texture, material. From here you can control the ambient shadows. Translucency strength. And more. Everything now looks a realistic tree. I like this tree model. As you can see, everything is customizable in a very easy way. Select the leaf. Leaf count. Everything is so easy. I hope this video be useful to you.